These profits are given. After that, the capital investment in the firm throughout the above mentioned period has been 3 lakhs. The capital invested is 3 lakhs rupees. Having regard to the risk involved, 15% is considered to be fair return of capital. मतलब कह रहा है as per the risk 15% is the normal rate of return. Calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase of average super profit earned during the above mentioned 4 year. Only those 4 steps you have to follow and you will be getting the value of goodwill. How we will calculate? Question number 7. Calculation of value of goodwill. Number one, you will calculate what is the normal profit, right? And formula of normal profit: capital invested multiplied by normal rate of return upon 100, right? This is the formula. Capital invested is given in the question, that 3 lakhs capital invested is given. Normally rate of return is there 15 upon 100. I think 45,000 rupees is the normal profit. Okay. Second step, you will calculate actual profit or average profit. Formula of average profit: add all these profits, that is 56,000 plus 64,000 plus 60,000 plus 62,000 and divide by number of years. You can get average profit. It is 2,42,000 divided by 4. It will be 60,500. Right? This is the second step. And in the third step, you will calculate super profit. Okay? Super profit is equal to, formula is average profit minus normal profit, and average profit is 60,500. And minus normal is 45,000. You will be getting 15,500. This is the super profit. Now you can calculate the value of goodwill, and formula is value of goodwill. Number 4, goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years purchase. Years purchase, I think that was 3. Then 15,500 into 3. Your answer will be 46,500, and this is your value of goodwill. In this way, you can calculate value of goodwill with the help of super profit method. right? Next question we will be doing. Question 8 is the same as 7. You will do by yourself. Question number 9c. A and B are partners. They admit C for 1/4 share in profits. For this purpose, goodwill is to be valued at 3 years purchase of super profit. मेथड आपका सुपर प्रॉफिट होगा एंड परचेजिंग ईयर इज 3, राइट? हियर फॉलोइंग इंफॉर्मेशन इज प्रोवाइडेड टू यू. A is capital 5 lakhs, B is capital 4 lakhs, general reserve 150, profit and loss account credit balance 30,000, sundry assets 12 lakhs rupees. Why this is given? Because with the help of this information we will be calculating capital invested in the firm. What capital invested in the firm? तो capital है, general reserve है, profit and loss है, right? Because profit and loss and general reserve is the part of capital, and this will be added in the capital account. Next point, the normal rate of return is 15% per annum. NRR is 15% per annum. Average profits are 2 lakhs per year. You are required to calculate C's share of goodwill. Normal rate of return is 15%. Average profit is 2 lakhs per year, and you have to calculate value of goodwill for C, not for the firm, because C आ रहा है, C is coming for 1/4. Then the value of goodwill for C will be 1/4 of the goodwill. C is coming for 1/4 na, then the value of goodwill will be 40 lakhs. It means C's goodwill will be 10 lakhs, 1/4 of the firm. Okay, follow the step, calculate value of goodwill. Question number 9. Calculation of value of goodwill. In the first step, you have to calculate normal profit. Formula is capital invested into normal rate of return upon 100 is equal to, but capital invested is not given, you have to calculate, right? Do working note here. वर्किंग नोट क्या निकालना है आपको? नंबर 1 पे कैपिटल इन्वेस्टेड. Capital invested will be all the capital plus general reserve. All capitals plus general reserve plus PL का credit balance minus PL का debit balance, right? All these capitals में A's capitals and B's capitals are there. 5 lakhs plus 4 lakhs. General reserve is there 1,50,000, and PL credit balance is given 30,000 rupees. Debit balance is not given. Then total capital will be 10,80,000 rupees. Yes or no? This will be capital invested. We have to put here 10 lakhs 80,000 multiplied by 15% is this 15 upon 100. This will be 1,62,000 rupees. And in the second step, you will calculate actual or average profit. I think in this question actual or average profit is already calculated. This average profit are 2 lakhs rupees per year, right? And we have not to calculate rupees 2 lakhs. Step number 3, you have to calculate super profit, and formula you know, actual profit minus normal profit, AP minus NP, will be 2 lakhs minus 1,62,000, and this will be 38,000, right? In the fourth step, you have to calculate goodwill, and formula of goodwill is super profit into number of years purchase. Super profit is 38,000 into number of years purchase 3. It will be 1,14,000. This is the goodwill, and this goodwill is goodwill of the firm. मतलब पूरे फर्म की गुडविल क्या है. And in the question it is asked that calculate the value of goodwill for C. तो 5वें स्टेप में वो भी निकाल लीजिए. C's share of goodwill will be total goodwill of the firm. Total goodwill of the firm 1,14,000 multiplied by his share, that is 1/4. Okay, total goodwill of the firm 1,14,000 and his share 1/4. You will get 28,500 rupees. This is the value of goodwill of C. And this question number 9 is finished. And this is the super profit method. 2-3 questions are also given in the book. You can calculate, you can solve. And now we will be discussing another method of valuation of goodwill. And next method is capitalization method. Next method is capitalization method. In the capitalization method, you can calculate value of goodwill by 2 ways. You can calculate value of goodwill in capitalization method by 2 ways. One is by capitalizing of average profit, or by capitalizing of सुपर प्रॉफिट। सुपर प्रॉफिट को कैपिटलाइज करके आप गुडविल निकाल रहे हैं या एवरेज प्रॉफिट को कैपिटलाइज करके आप गुडविल निकाल रहे हैं। फॉर्मूला इज वेरी सिंपल। हम पहले बात करेंगे नंबर 1 के केस में। बाय कैपिटलाइजिंग ऑफ average profits. In this method, you will calculate value of goodwill number 1 step 1। सबसे पहले आप निकालेंगे कैपिटलाइज्ड वैल्यू ऑफ average profit. What is the capitalized value of average profit? How will we calculate? First you will take average profit, that you know how to calculate average profit, into 100 upon NRR. 100 upon NRR. Average profit will be in the question, or you can calculate and into 100 upon NRR, normal rate of return. In the second step, after getting capitalized value of average profit, number 2, you will calculate what is the net assets. What is the net assets given in the question? Formula will be total assets minus outside liability, and in the third step be goodwill. Goodwill will be capitalized value of average profit, that is number 1, minus net assets, that is number 2. You will be getting the value of goodwill by capitalizing of average profit, right?